Electric vehicles, EVs, are heralded as the future of the automotive industry. They promise eco-friendly driving, reduced fuel costs, and a smoother ride. However, as with any technological advancement, there are hidden costs that new EV owners might not be aware of. In this video, we'll uncover the top 4 hidden expenses associated with owning an electric vehicle that no one will tell you about. From the seemingly minor costs to the potentially major expenses, we'll break down everything you need to know to make an informed decision about your next car purchase. Number 4. Battery replacement and maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of EVs is that they have fewer moving parts than traditional internal combustion engine (ICE) vehicles, which theoretically translates to lower maintenance costs. However, the EV's battery pack is both its heart and its Achilles heel, representing a major hidden expense. Battery lifespan. Most EV batteries are designed to last between 8 to 10 years, or around 100,000 to 150,000 miles. However, their capacity to hold a charge diminishes over time, leading to decreased range and efficiency. Replacement costs. When the battery eventually needs replacement, the cost can be staggering. Depending on the make and model of the vehicle, a new battery pack can cost anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000. For high-end models like Tesla, this cost can be even higher. Battery maintenance. In addition to replacement costs, there are maintenance expenses to consider. While EV batteries require less routine maintenance than ICE engines, they still need periodic checkups to ensure optimal performance. These maintenance sessions can cost between $100 and $200 each. Warranty considerations. Many EV manufacturers offer warranties for their batteries, typically covering 8 years or 100,000 miles. However, these warranties often have fine print that can limit coverage, such as degradation limits or requirements for regular maintenance to keep the warranty valid. Total cost, factoring in potential replacement costs and regular maintenance. The expenses associated with an EV battery can add up significantly over the lifetime of the vehicle. Number 3. Higher insurance premiums. Insurance is a mandatory expense for any vehicle owner, but many new EV owners are surprised to find that insuring their electric car can be more expensive than insuring a comparable ICE vehicle. High repair costs. EVs often come with advanced technology and specialized parts that can be costly to repair or replace. For instance, minor fender benders that might be inexpensive to fix on a conventional car can become major expenses if they involve damage to an EV's battery pack or electronic systems. Specialized mechanics. Repairing an EV often requires specialized knowledge and equipment, which can limit the number of mechanics capable of performing the work. This limited availability can drive up repair costs and consequently insurance premiums. Totaled vehicles. In some cases, insurers might consider an EV totaled, even if the damage is relatively minor, simply because the cost of repairs is so high. This potential for higher payouts can also lead to higher premiums. Discounts and incentives. On the flip side, some insurance companies offer discounts for EV owners due to their lower likelihood of being involved in severe accidents and their environmentally friendly nature. However, these discounts often do not fully offset the higher overall premiums. Total cost. While it's difficult to quantify exactly how much more expensive it is to insure an EV, some estimates suggest that premiums can be anywhere from 10% to 30% higher than for comparable ICE vehicles. Number 2. Depreciation rates. Depreciation is the reduction in value of a vehicle over time, and it's a significant cost for all car owners. However, EVs tend to depreciate faster than their ICE counterparts for several reasons. Rapid technological advancements. The pace of innovation in the EV market is incredibly fast. New models with better range, improved performance, and advanced features are released regularly. This rapid advancement can make older models seem outdated quickly, driving down their resale value. Battery degradation. As mentioned earlier, EV batteries degrade over time, which can significantly impact the vehicle's range and performance. Potential buyers are often wary of purchasing used EVs with older batteries, leading to lower resale values. Limited market. The market for used EVs is still relatively small compared to the market for used ICE vehicles. This limited demand can result in lower resale prices. Incentives for new EVs. Government incentives and rebates are often available for new EV purchases, but not for used ones. This can further depress the market for used EVs, as buyers are more inclined to purchase new models to take advantage of these incentives. Total cost. On average, EVs can depreciate by as much as 60% within the first 3 years of ownership, compared to about 40% for ICE vehicles. This higher rate of depreciation can translate to significant financial loss for EV owners when it comes time to sell or trade in their vehicle. Number 1. Charging costs and time. While EVs are often touted for their lower operating costs compared to ICE vehicles, the reality of charging can introduce some unexpected expenses. Home charging. While home charging is generally cheaper than using public stations, it still adds to your household electricity bill. The cost of electricity varies widely depending on where you live, but on average, it can add an extra $30 to $60 per month for moderate use. Public charging. Public charging stations are often more expensive than home charging, particularly fast chargers, which can cost anywhere from $0.30 to $0.60 per core. Frequent use of public chargers can add up quickly, especially for those who do not have access to a home charger and rely solely on public infrastructure. Charging time. Time is another hidden cost of EV ownership. Even the fastest chargers take significantly longer to refill an EV's battery compared to filling a gas tank. Level 2 chargers typically require 4 to 8 hours for a full charge, while fast chargers can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. This waiting time can be inconvenient and may even necessitate additional expenses if you need to spend time in public places like cafes or malls while waiting for your vehicle to charge. Idle fees. Some public charging stations impose idle fees if you leave your car plugged in after it's fully charged. These fees can be as high as $1 per minute, adding another layer of potential cost. Total cost. While charging costs can vary widely based on usage patterns and local electricity rates, it's important for potential EV owners to consider both the financial and time investments required for regular charging.